Hey everyone, welcome back to Gym Class Finance. It has been a little while since we've done a video, we've done a review, and we are going to once again go back to that Fetch Rewards app that we did a video on a long time ago. It's the popular cashback app called Fetch Rewards. You've probably seen the ads for it. They even had a massive, like, 2-minute commercial during the Super Bowl. It's the app where you literally are going to snap or take a picture of your receipts. You earn points for them, which then in turn are going to earn your rewards. In 2025, is it still worth your time, or is it just another data hungry app disguised as a deal? I'll break down exactly how Fetch works, what's new, what sets it apart, and whether it's worth using in your daily routine. So, Fetch Rewards is a free mobile app that gives you points every time you scan a grocery or a retail receipt, and that can be physical or digital. You then redeem those points for gift cards to stores like Amazon, Starbucks, Target, and hundreds of other options. So the concept is very simple. You spend like normal, you scan your receipts, and you earn rewards. It's available for both iOS and Android and is used by millions of users across the US and Canada. Let me walk you through how Fetch works in 2025 step by step.
Step by step.
So, step one, download and sign up. It's free to install, and new users usually get a bonus, typically 2,000 or 4,000 points with a referral code. Speaking of that, I will leave that referral code in the comments. I'll also leave that referral code in the description below. You can easily access that, and it does help me if you decide you want to try it out for yourself. You don't have to use my link, but it is there if that is easy for you to just do that. So, step two is then the part where you just scan your receipts. You open the app and you snap a photo of any receipt from grocery stores, restaurants, could be gas stations, even online retailers. And you can also link your email or Amazon account to automatically fetch e-receipts. Then step three is where you're going to earn points. Most receipts earn 25 base points, but you can get hundreds, even thousands more if you purchase a featured brand. Then step four is the opportunity for you to redeem your rewards. So points can be redeemed starting at about 3,000 points. That's equal to about a $3 gift card, with most users typically saving up to $10 or $25 cards though. It takes under 10 seconds per scan, and you're getting free gift cards for something you were already buying, which is why I love this app and always recommend it to people. Here's what makes Fetch stand out from other receipt apps in 2025. First, it's the brand partnerships that they offer. You can earn extra points when you buy from top brands like Pepsi, Doritos, Dove, even Huggies. Then there's the e-receipts integration, so you can automatically fetch digital receipts from Amazon, Walmart, Target, and many more, which then you can just set it and forget it. Third are the daily bonuses and challenges that they offer. You can complete tasks like maybe scanning a certain number of receipts or buying featured items for bonus points. Fourth, they have a gift card catalog so that you can get hundreds of reward options, including Visa prepaid retail, dining, and travel cards. Fifth, they have social features. This is the part where you can refer friends that I already mentioned. You can track your progress. You can compete in points leaderboards, which is kind of cool. Sixth, there's no bank linking required. Unlike some cashback apps, you don't have to link a debit or credit card. You just need receipts. So let's talk about the big question: how much can you really earn with Fetch? Casual users, maybe scanning a few receipts a week, can expect to earn around $25, $50 a year, maybe a tank of gas.
Fill her up. Fill her up. Fill her up.
Rather engaged users who buy from partner brands, they do challenges and scan regularly, can push it maybe to $75 to $150 a year. Those power users, those that are scanning daily, doing all the bonuses and referring friends, could hit 200 plus in a year's time. It's not life-changing money, but for something that takes seconds a day, it's definitely a solid approach. All right, let's just get into cost and our monetization. Fetch is 100% free to use, no subscription fees. There's no hidden charges or even those pay-to-play features.
Are you sure?
How do they make money, you might be thinking? Fetch partners with consumer brands and retailers who pay for market insights and promotions. So you're essentially trading anonymous purchase data in exchange for rewards. You're the user, but you're also a data source, just like Google, Facebook, and Amazon, but you actually get something back. So how does Fetch compare to other rewards apps like maybe Rakuten, Ibotta, or Upside? When it comes to Rakuten gives you cash back for online purchases. Fetch rewards you for purchases anywhere as long as there's a receipt. Ibotta requires activating offers in advance. Fetch doesn't. You earn automatically if the product qualifies. And then Upside is great for gas and dining, but Fetch covers all categories, including groceries, retail, even e-commerce. So the bottom line with all that, Fetch is the easiest, I would say, it's the most consistent rewards app for receipt scanning. Let me just break down the pros and cons of Fetch in this 2025 year. First, it's the pros. It's super easy to use. It takes seconds. It works with almost any receipt. There's no need to pre-activate offers. There's an excellent selection of gift card rewards. And finally, no bank information or sensitive data is required. When it comes to cons, base points are small. Maximizing value takes a big effort. Some receipts, like handwritten or old ones, may be rejected. Real money value per scan is low unless you hit bonuses. And the last con is that there is no direct PayPal or bank transfer rewards. It's all done with gift cards. So Fetch is perfect for everyday shoppers who want passive savings. It's perfect for families who rack up lots of receipts from groceries and restaurants. It's perfect for people who want free gift cards without linking their finances. It's perfect for savers looking for a low effort side hustle. What it's not for is for people expecting huge cashback payouts, but it is free money for things you're already doing. So my final take on all of this, Fetch Rewards is one of the, I would say, the most underrated, hassle-free savings tools in 2025. It's not going to replace a job or pay your rent, but it will absolutely cover your next Starbucks run, maybe a couple Amazon purchases, or even when you're dining out just for scanning receipts and referring people also. We redeem our points for gift cards to restaurants typically. The interface is pretty smooth, I would say. It's gamified just enough to keep things fun, and it delivers on what it promises.
Promises were made, promises will be kept.
So if you're looking for a simple, no-risk way to earn a little extra, Fetch is still 100% worth it, in my opinion, of course. I've already mentioned this, but if you want to give Fetch a try, I've dropped a referral link in the description below. You'll get some bonus points just for signing up, so that might be worth it to you. Have you used Fetch? What's the biggest gift card you've redeemed from it? Drop your comment below. Let us know your best Fetch story there as well. And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap that bell icon so you don't miss our next Smart Money Breakdown here at Gym Class Finance. I'll see you in the next video.